name is Bill Boulder. I'm a captain. I've been captain for 40-something years. Most of my tours have been offshore, doing whale watching and diving charters and fishing charters and things like that. And I came to work for the North-South River Watershed 3 years ago. And I do pontoon boat tours up and down the river. Just to sit back, enjoy the cruise, and listen to our tour guide that's going to tell us all about birds today. There's a lot of people having fun on the North and South River. So this particular area is very family orientated. The spit right here, you can't even find a parking space in the summer when it's really warm. This whole place is completely loaded. Not only on the beach, but all the boats all along here too. It's hard to, you have to pick your way through here. But it is a fun place. I love to fish and all that, and I really enjoy seeing the birds, the ospreys, the eagles, all that have come back, and it's just a great place to be.
Just kind of hanging out there. So here comes a osprey with a fish. Bring the fish up, and if he's feeling generous, he might share. So sometimes you'll see them walking along the shoreline, and they'll just kind of be picking at seaweed and things. They're looking for little amphipods and isopods, any little crustaceans. Those are easy pickings for a gull, and you'll see them dropping clams onto rocks. Other times you'll see them puddling. They'll be moving their feet up and down like this. They're trying to kick up little shrimp and things like that from the water. They'll fly to catch food sometimes, and they'll actually be catching, like when there's a big hatch of like flying ants and things like that, you'll see them catching ants out of the sky. And then of course you'll see them at McDonald's getting their favorite food, which is French fries. Cool when you key into these kind of things, because when I first was bird watching and before that, I was like, oh, those are gulls, those are boring. But the more you learn, the more interesting they become.